Wikiprocedure.com welcomes you for another session on how to obtain encumbrance certificate easy in New Delhi. The link provided below here will help you in reaching our site wikiprocedure.com and the page New Delhi obtain encumbrance certificate easy. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to us for creating more videos. In this page, we have given detailed procedure along with information and instruction for a user to follow. Also, you can see few links for external websites and other details which will be useful for an applicant to complete this procedure on time. The importance of these links will be known to you in the due course of our presentation. Wikiprocedure also provided you a select language tab on the top right corner to select the language of your choice from the drop down menu in order to understand this procedure easily. Let us see the list of items covered in this session today. Need for encumbrance certificate, documents required, how to apply, eligibility, validity, fees, processing time, offices and contacts, online resources and other information. Today this procedure is sponsored by wikiprocedure.com for you. Let us find the need for encumbrance certificate. Encumbrance certificate, in short called as EC in the real estate sector. Whenever there is a sale of a land or a mortgage of a land for obtaining a loan or for the joint development of the property, the investor or the person who is planning to buy the land will apply for this encumbrance certificate, which is called EC. This certificate will provide information about the title owner of the land, if there is any litigation on the land and any legal dues are pending on this land. So these are the vital information one has to get before buying the land and it is obtained from the sub-register office, usually where it is registered. So once you apply for the encumbrance certificate, the result will be issued in Form 16 in cases of certificate of nil encumbrances. In Form 15 in case it has any encumbrance registered during this set period, meaning for the period which you applied for. The land registration process in India is governed by Section 17 under the Registration Act 1908, applicable to entire India except the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Let us see the documents required. You need the application form, which can be downloaded using the link which is provided under the required document section. We use this link so that you can reach this form directly. Download, print and fill it for apply. Address proof of the applicant, attested copy is required. Property address, survey number, document number or patta number. Period for which the EC is required, duration. Applicable fee, copy of sale deed of the said property, any one of the deed for the land and not necessary to present the last or the latest one. Purpose for which the EC is applied for, Aadhaar card, property card if available. Apart from these documents, if authority requires any additional information or document, applicant has to provide the same for processing. Let us see how to apply in sub-register office. To apply for EC encumbrance certificate with the register, the applicant has to go to the sub-register office directly in order to apply. The link for the sub-register office provided in our wiki procedure page under procedure session will help you to reach the respective page of the Delhi government's portal, where you get information for your requirement. Mark the address and go to the address. Collect the application form from the respective officer on your visit, and you have to pay for, if required, you need to pay for the application form, or you can download using the online link which is provided in the earlier slide, and complete the application form. Affix a non-judicial stamp as advised by the authorities, and attach all the documents and submit it to an authorized authority, who will in turn check the details and also check the documents. If everything is in place, he will advise the fees for this procedure. Applicant has to go to the respective counter, make the payment as advised, and in turn he will get a receipt containing acknowledgement ID, which he needs to keep it safe for future reference. After you have completed the document, after you made the fees, the application will be processed internally by the department to get the extract for the encumbrance certificate for the mentioned period. An SMS triggered notification for the applicant will be sent through the mobile, and it will have status of the application, and also the final issuance of certificate will be notified. Based on the notification, applicant can reach the office and collect the certificate. Eligibility: those who have land in their name, those who are intent to buy the land, authorized signatory or power of attorney of a land are eligible to apply for this procedure. Validity: this certificate is valid for the period mentioned because it is applied for a duration and it is valid for that particular period only. Fees: please pay as per authorities quote. Fees differs from place to place, land to land, and even for the duration which is applied for. So it is best to follow the authorities' advice. Processing time: offline process timing will be provided by the authorities. Usually 15 days to 20 days is what you require. Offices and contacts: Sub-Registrar Office, Chandni Chowk, New Delhi, India, and a phone number is provided here. Also, these two links provided below here will be helpful in reaching the contact session for your requirement. In our wiki procedure page 2, under the office location and contact section, we have provided the contact information and the link where you can reach this page to get the contact information for your communication. Online resources: these links provided here can be useful in reaching these websites directly. So we in our wiki procedure 2 provided these websites as links at appropriate places to save your valuable time. Other information: easy application. Applicant will be given a number while applying. This number will be mentioned in the encumbrance certificate when it is issued. Encumbrance certificate is one among the other documents for our process to verify that the land is free from any of the litigations. Hope this video helped you. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to us for creating more videos. Thank you once again for visiting wikiprocedure.com to know how to obtain encumbrance certificate EC in New Delhi.